In front of me is ALCATEL 1 from 2022, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then. Now find and select apps and enroll all apps here by tapping on view all. Now click on more icon and select reset app preferences. And if you truly want to remove all preferences for your apps, including disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset apps. And that's it. It has been done. So congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.